Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, August 3rd, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading at 28.28.5 per contract. All in all, it's a flat market ahead of the opening bell. Just a little while ago, we did have the non-farm payroll report come out. Looks like the headline number is 157,000 jobs created. That is well under consensus. So most people were expecting 190 to 200. Looks like payrolls rise 157,000. That's a miss on expectations. But the overall picture still looks pretty strong. So we'll see how the market reacts. I think the trade news is really bigger than the non-farm payroll report at this point in time. So tariffs are expected to come in retaliation from China on, I believe, $60 billion worth of U.S. goods. So just we'll see how that all plays out. And again, that is going to really be the bigger headline going forward. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. So let's get started here. Start the day off with Symantec. SYMC is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is getting roasted and toasted. It closed at $20.88. It is now trading at $18.20. The only level that gets me interested in this name is going to be down at the low $16 level. So again, maybe there's some support at 18 bucks. Not for me. I'm going to go lower. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. But right now, Symantec is very, very weak on the session, and we'll see how it plays out. Right now, I'm just not interested in that name. Just not a good enough of a level in the near term here until you get down to around 16 bucks. Next up, we want to take a look at AIG. Looks like they reported earnings as well, I believe. Stock is trading at 53.50, closed at 55.16. So a little bit of a downtick you could see yesterday after the closing bell, but it has recovered a little bit. So we'll keep it on the radar. There's probably a lot of support still at 53, but I want to see where this thing opens up, and we'll play it accordingly. Next up, Take-Two Interactive, TTWO. This stock is flying high today. Closed at 113.24, now trading at 128. You have a double top resistance level around 128.70. This stock can still go above that, believe it or not. So great move for Take-Two, and we'll let it play itself out a little bit. Here we have Cerner, CERN. This one is trading at around 64.80. Great move there as well. Closed at 62.97. So this is popping up. I'm going to have a gap resistance level for this play posted up in the intraday stock chat room. Next we have ACIA. This stock is catching a pretty big bid as well. Closed at $33.66. Now trading at $38.25. I'll give this the upside bias to around $40.75, maybe 41 bucks. So again, nice move there. This still might have some more legs to the upside going forward. Let's take a look at BGS. This is B&G Foods. Right now the stock is trading at $29.40. Closed at $30.95. There's not a whole lot I would do here, but if it gets down to the 26.25, maybe it's 26.35 level, I would consider and look at it there, but nothing to do just yet. Let's take a look at Shake Shack. SHAK is a ticker symbol here. This stock right now is trading at 61.20. Closed at 63.94, so good little pullback. I don't see much to do yet, but we'll keep an eye on this one. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings, and we'll see where it goes from there. But Shake Shack under some pressure this morning. Speaking about pressure, GoDaddy, GDDY, which has been a major winner in 2018, coming down a little bit. Right now it's trading at 73.50. No real volume back here, so we want to be a little bit cautious there. Closed at 76.55. I believe they reported earnings as well. Nothing to do yet, but this is one that will be on our radar once the opening bell rings this morning. Next up, I want to take a look at Tableau and Tableau Software. Data is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 109.40. Closed at 110.16. So a little bit of down ticking. That's another one we'll keep on the radar. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. There's not a whole lot to do just yet. Here we have Activision, AVTI, another video game maker. Let's take a look at ATVI. I typed that in wrong. This is trading at 73.50, closed at 74.06. So you got a little bit of downticking here, but very, very minor at best. There's not much to do just yet. Let's take a look at Kraft Heinz, KHC. Stock right now is trading at 62.20, closed at 59.40. So this is getting a little bit of an uptick today. We'll be watching this one once the opening bell rings. There's also news out, I believe, from the New York Post, saying that Kraft Heinz is interested in buying Campbell Soup. That's CPB. That stock is getting a little bit of a bid today to the upside. So Campbell Soup getting some M&A chatter again. I don't know if it's true or not. Again, we'll be watching this one. We'll see how it plays out. But Campbell Soup upticking a little bit as well here. Let's take a look at Dish Networks. DISH is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 31.60. It closed at 29.86. So Dish is up a little bit here as well. We'll see where that one goes. Right now I have to think you're probably hitting some good resistance in and around this general level here for Dish. Alright, let's move over to the gold market. Gold futures today are trading up $3.10 to $1,223.20. So gold getting a little bit of a pop. That is a nice little move on the GLD back above the 115 level. Yesterday it closed at 114.52. The GLD is a good ETF to track the movement in gold. Gold has been very, very weak as of late due to the stronger dollar. Today you got the dollar backtracking a little bit. Dollar is a little bit on the weaker side. That's benefiting gold. As far as crude oil goes, that's down 12 cents to $68.84. Crude oil had a good day yesterday. Take a look at the USO this morning. You'll see that this is trading at 14.33. This is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil. All right, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great week. Great 2018, and again, we're going to look to keep that going right into the closing bell today, as well as into the end of the year. So if you haven't done so, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. It's been a blockbuster 2018. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.